Hello, everyone. What's up, Infinity? What's up, Phil? How's it going? What a day in the markets again. And we can see that the Nasdaq got a big push towards the downside, actually. It was the leading one towards the downside, down over 1.73% today, coming right back to the lows, down to 1072. Or sorry, 10702. Is this level going to hold, or are we going to make our way down towards the 2020 high? Something we've been discussing for a while, so I'm just going to give people a little bit some time to tune in. Yeah, hey Carlos, how's it going, man? I hope you enjoyed your free trial for the crypto trades. We had a good time. The gold membership gave you a little bit of a trial. Hopefully you got some trades out of it. We actually just entered another trade and we closed a profitable trade just now in the Discord. Let's take a look at market cipher on the daily time frame. Starting to slow down. The drop is starting to slow down. We could get some upside. What's up, Paul? Papa Pig Paul, my man. I love Paul. Paul loves to argue with me with gold all day long. We could do it all day long. Hey, Carlos. No problem, no problem, no problem. Oil getting a bit of a bid right now, up to $89 per barrel. Taking a look at natural gas. Natural gas just consolidating a little bit right here. Could be getting ready to make its next move towards the downside. Maybe we're going to punch through this level right here and head towards maybe potentially $4.67 or $4.70 or 71 cents, depending on where we make contact with this trend line right here. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on this major trend line right here for nat gas. Again, I've outlined these levels many times for you guys here, so it's not like it's a big surprise to why we're shorting these levels right now or longing these levels. Gold, Paul gold says Paul says gold to zero. We'll soon buy lifetime membership. Yeah, you better, man, because the prices won't stay this low forever. We're gonna have to adjust our prices for inflation eventually. Yeah, we got some big things coming in for the Discord. Just getting into this new job right now. It's actually very, very nice. Really, really like it. It's gonna be great for the Discord and for the channel as well. So that's gonna be really good. I just had a lot of training this week in person. 1K. Paul says gold to 1K. I'm thinking more in the 1500 area or 1450 area. Around that area, I'm thinking that would be a nice level for gold, because I think we've all agreed as well that we are going to get a pause in the rate hikes, most likely Q1 of 2023. They are going to eventually fold in because something is going to start to weaken in the economy. And after all, tomorrow we do have some data coming out. Let me just pull this in right here for you guys to take a look at. Tomorrow we actually have the job numbers. Actually, no, today we had the job numbers on Wednesday. Tomorrow we have the unemployment rate and the non-farm employment change for the US. So tomorrow is going to be the unemployment rate, which is set to actually increase by 10 basis points or 0.1%. So we're gonna have to see what happens there. And then the non-farm is expected to drop a bit, so less employment there. And average hourly earnings for the US is set to not change there. Unemployment rate also set to increase in Canada tomorrow. Those are the forecasts. And employment change is set to decrease as well. So we're supposed to start to see unemployment, but if we get better than expected numbers, if unemployment actually remains at 3.5%, you could potentially see a market dump, because right now what the market is looking for, the market is looking for bad news. The market wants shit news regarding the economy, because bad news is good for the market. Market wants to see bad news because bad news means there will be a pause, a potential future pause the rate hikes. If the Fed sees that the economy is weakening, they will look into potentially pausing rates in the future. Can you guys hear me fine? Yeah, well, the S&P could easily come back up here. Could easily get another rally if we get some positive numbers regarding the... Or sorry, I shouldn't say positive numbers. If we get some bad numbers, if unemployment starts to go up, we could easily see another rally, potentially even back up to 3,900, forming a double top, and then we could come back down to potentially some lower levels after here. Yes, we hear you. Thank you, Paul. Hear you fine. All right. But yeah, overall, I'll be keeping an eye on the markets. We could easily come back up here, very easily. We could see that we had a big rally actually today in some of these stocks. You could take a look at Peloton. Peloton was a 20% rally today, even more. Look at Peloton, guys. Look at these garbage earnings coming out. But what they announced was that they were actually going to stop losing money in 2023 next year. So in 1 year they're gonna stop losing money, but until then they're gonna keep losing money. But yeah, that is a 25% pump on Peloton. Absolute madness. And that Peloton is not the only stock. It's not only tech stocks that did this craziness today. We could actually take a look at ACB. Actually did a craziness, but a little bit of craziness as well. But what I really want to take a look at is Royal Caribbean. Royal Caribbean actually made a move from $46, $47 all the way up to $53, a 16% move on earnings day. It opened completely lower. It opened down to 46, and then we pumped all the way back up, 16%. Absolutely crazy. Again, we are going to maybe start trading some options into these stocks, into the private trades. I'm getting very excited. You guys have anything you want to take a look at? We could take a look at anything you guys want. And don't forget to smash that like button, guys. We only got 21 people viewing. We only got 2 likes. What is this? Come on. We're at a temporary bottom. It's very possible, Paul. I'm thinking kind of the same thing right now. We could very well be at a temporary bottom because we already got some news regarding Powell saying that they are going to be potentially looking to a pivot. They are data reliant. All we need to see is shit economic data come out and they're going to pivot. There's no way the economy can handle the rates that we're at right now. The rates have never been this high, ever. You can take a look at the prime rate is currently at 6.25, but the Fed fund rate is actually at 4% now, I believe. So, oh boy. This is not updated. It's actually higher. It's actually at 7%. This is actually up here at 7%. This is still at 6.25, but it's actually a little higher than that. It takes time for that to update. Mickey, when are you getting married? Mickey's in love. You can have double income. Why are you interested, Kenny? CMI had earnings and we dropped 10% and rallied back majority of that. Yes, I was actually looking at that stock, man. I was actually taking a look at CMI right here. First of all, I love this chart for CMI. I think I've mentioned this to you before. We were in this channel. We were just trading into the channel. Finally, once we broke out, we came back, retested the channel as support. Basically retesting previous resistance as support. And from there, we had a massive rally all the way up to like 250 on CMI. So that was very impressive. And then today we dropped a massive drop on earnings. Right? Down over 10%, and then boom, a huge rally back up towards the upside, closing only down 3.52%. What are split RSIs on Market Cipher? I'm sorry, I don't understand. GRT. You want to take a look at GRT. Let's take a look at GRT. GRT. This stock? Is this a German stock, Gabriel? Is that what we're taking a look at? GRT. Or is this GRT or GFT? GRT. Oh, GRT like the coin. I typed in GFT. It looks like we've done some analysis on this before. I think I said I'd stay away from it because it's not doing much right now. Let's take a look at how much it's up today. It's up over 2% right now. It did have a bit of a move right here. Yeah, 20% move, but it doesn't look like anything crazy at the moment. Take a look at that weekly. Well, you're forming a bit of a bullish divergence. But again, I don't know anything about this project. Looks like it just pumped up like any other shitcoin, and it just came back down. You want to do Bitcoin? Yeah, sure. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, the good old-fashioned Bitcoin. Let's take a look at it. For Bitcoin, we're actually in a bit of a trade right now. We are again in the money on that trade. Actually, let me just update the last trade we did for you guys on my website, so keep you guys up to date. Trades again. I'm looking to get someone to help me integrate those trades, everything that I'm posting, onto my website. I'm hoping that I can get a web developer, a good one, maybe even from the Discord, that can help me out. That'll be very nice. Check out OP. Yeah, Kenny, OP. I love OP. OP. So right now sorry, I'll just take a look. I'll finish my analysis on Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, Bitcoin, I'm actually taking a look at 22,400. I was already taking a look at this level in my last videos. I told you guys we could just be doing a bit of bullish consolidation right now. And we actually haven't taken out the lows yet from right here around 19,000 or basically 20,000 flat. We have not taken out the lows, so we could very easily pump back up towards the upside, 22,400. And again, we have the US elections coming up on November 8th. So again, that could be a bullish event right there. You could just name another excuse for a rally or something like that. I could easily see Bitcoin getting back up to those levels. What leverage do you usually use? Again, I when I use leverage, I use about 10, but again, it varies on the trade. Also, I have my trader Mike in the Discord. He also uses a different amount of leverage. Sometimes he'll use more, sometimes he'll use less. It's really up to your personal risk tolerance. But if you guys want to see my trade, you guys can join my Discord, and you can see my trades from there. But overall, I don't use too much leverage, especially when it comes to to crypto. Let's take a look at OP quickly. Let's take a look at OP. OP right here, currently at $1.11. Again, Kenny has been taking a look at this OP trade for a very long time, and we actually entered it in the Discord, and we made a nice chunk of change off this trade as well. Look at it right now, up over 68%. And again, we were taking a look at this when we were currently at 66 to 70 cents. We were looking at this level. We are entering our positions in advance of the move. That's what's great about the Discord too. You don't only get my analysis, you get other traders' analysis. And Kenny is a great trader, and he has some great calls, not only on crypto, but he takes a look at all markets, equities, bonds, everything. He does it all, indexes, you name it, he trades it. Yeah, we're in the shmoney right now. Slightly. Nothing crazy. BNB to 360. Let's take a look at BNB, Paul. Let's take a look at BNB. Again, BNB is currently at a good level of resistance, but we could easily break it from here. You can see that we're actually forming a bit of a bullish pattern right now, right? You could even call this an ascending wedge. Whoops. What happened there, right? But again, if we come back down and we don't break out from these levels, let's say we get some positive economic news tomorrow and the markets decide to dump, then I'd actually be looking for potential long on BNB if we come back down here, right? BNB comes back down to maybe around this area, maybe 287. I'd be maybe intrigued in longing it. We'll see what happens. Again, you know, no rush. Let's take a look at that 4 hour. I think Infinity was calling out for a 4 hour bearish divergence. Yeah, we do have a bearish divergence here. Infinity did make that call in the Discord today. We do have a bit of a bearish divergence right there on BNB. I wouldn't be surprised if we do pull back from these levels, but we're gonna have to see what happens. Let's see what Bitcoin does. You got 20 plus viewers. I know we do. We got 27 viewers, 26, 27. Let's see if we can get to 30, then a million. No. It's funny. I always appreciate the support. Everyone's very nice. And look at that, Matic breaking out right now. You had resistance at 101. Let's see if Matic can get to 131. That's your next major area of support, in my opinion, for Matic. Right, you got these previous lows acting as support, right? And eventually this level gave in and we broke it. So I wouldn't be surprised if we came back up here and retested as resistance. Chili's before World Cup. Yeah, shout out to Jarvis calling out big move on Chili's. And look at Chili's. Chili's actually came back down. Actually, I think we have a Chili's chart. Yeah, we do. Chili's actually came back down to our area of support around 16 cents. And boom, look at that. We bounced off of it and we are now breaking out once again. We are coming back up to 23 cents. So let's see what happens on Chili's. Again, Chili's could get a big move up during the World Cup. And then, you know, after maybe everyone's gonna dump their coins. Who knows? But yeah, overall, this looking pretty good for Chili's right now. Getting a bit of a pullback at the moment, down about 2%. But again, this could very easily keep going up. Could very easily keep moving up towards the upside. BTC will hit 1 million next bull run. Put it on the record. I said it. All right, Ben, put it on the record. He said it live. Ben said that it's going to hit $1 million next bull run. So if it doesn't hit $1 million, you can go ahead and sue Ben for giving out terrible financial advice. Very funny. No, we won't sue you, Ben. You guys have any other coins you guys want to take a look at? We could take a look at. Check oil. Yeah, sure. Let's take a look at oil. What are your thoughts on oil, guys? Oil right now is just trending sideways, starting to consolidate. You guys can probably see we're getting a bit of a symmetrical triangle right now. If we get a big move towards the upside, in my opinion, that would be pretty bearish for the markets, because that would mean inflation would probably keep going up. We all know that if oil goes up, cost of energy goes up, cost of doing business goes up. Just the cost of everything generally goes up when oil goes up. Banks calling for dump. In my opinion, yeah, I think they're gonna manipulate oil to lower levels. We could potentially be getting ready to see $65, another move towards the downside before we finally get a massive inflation burst of oil going back up. But for the time being, they're dumping the SPR into the market. They're flooding it with oil. Curious to see what Paul has to say. Oil is confusing. I agree with you. It's manipulated now. Yeah, right now they're really screwing with the market, so it's kind of hard to tell what's going to be the direction. But in my opinion, I think we got a pretty good shot of going towards the downside. They really don't want oil going back up, and they're putting that, what is that called? They're putting that windfall profit tax on the big oil companies if they don't produce more. So they're really putting pressure on the suppliers to really just dump more stuff onto the market to lower the price, because they don't want lower oil for to help people. They want lower oil because that'll get them more votes, right? They're just buying votes essentially. That's the whole spiel of the situation. That's the game. It's always been like that. But yeah, they're just trying to get more votes essentially. Hope I don't get banned for saying that. I really like the new Twitter. What's your guys' opinion on the new Twitter? I'm a big fan. It's really funny. See how so many people are getting upset. It's a lot of sensitive people on the internet getting upset over the new Twitter. Not 1,000,000. 798,000. Have to be precise. Okay, Ben. Now Ben is calling for 798,000 Bitcoin price. Can we get an exact date on that, Ben? Can we get a precise date and time, if possible? Thank you. Let us know. Get back to us in about 5 minutes. Time the extension tool on commodity point. The June 2023 correction over. A fib extension? A fib retracement? Oh, came up. Came back down exactly to that 618. We're bouncing off that 618 right now. Actually, let me. Sorry. I just wanted to see one more. Let me see if fib retracement. Let's see if we. Yeah, look at that. That 1.618. It's at $66 a barrel. I have a target for myself already priced in at $65 a barrel, or basically $66 a barrel, because that's kind of where I was looking at some previous lows and some previous resistance, right? You got previous resistance, so you got resistance, resistance, resistance. These levels are flipping as support, 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 support. This could very well come back down. Fib extension tool. Fib extension. Fib time extension. Trend based or fib time? Fib time. Well, I have not used this one. I'm not sure how we use this one, Kennedy. Are we measuring from the lows to the high? How long it took us to get from the lows to the high? Because if that's the case, it's gonna be August 2024. Twatter is awesome now. Yes, it is, Paul. Twatter is awesome indeed. And I'd actually rather pay $8 to Elon Musk now than if Twitter actually charged $8. If they were to charge $8 before, I probably wouldn't pay because I knew all that money was going to unproductive people. And now that Elon is there, he's gonna clean the house. No more work from home. There's gonna be job layoffs. All the people that haven't come in the office since the IPO will be cleared out. Out with the old, in with the new. You have the most productive man on the entire planet coming to Twitter, and some of these people haven't even lifted a pencil since he got hired. Good for him. And he's having fun too on Twitter. If we get $65 per barrel, SPX will go parabolic. Parabolic. Yeah, that could actually induce a nice market rally too. Lower oil prices, it could give a nice bid to the markets. Potentially just start to moon back up to 41.58. That could very well happen, or even higher. We could even take out this trend line right here. That will be a very bullish scenario. A lot of people will start getting into longs. Apparently, a lot of the shorts that were open into the markets were open around the lows. I think around this area right here. Right, a lot of the shorts were apparently open near the lows. I'm actually surprised that people actually open shorts at the lows. That's why I don't know why people do that. You want to short the resistances and long the supports, but apparently people are shorting support. It's kind of crazy to me, but people can do whatever they want. It's their money, not mine. Yes, a double correction could start tomorrow. I love Elon cleaning the house, yeah. February 30th? Okay, so February 30th, what's the year, Ben? This February 30th that's coming up, 2023? Is that the date? This February 23, you got a little February 30th. There's no February 30th. You lying suck. I don't even know why I didn't think of that date. That's not a real date. You liar. Shorts burning furnace is on. Yeah, I think the shorts are gonna get squeezed if that's really the case. If the case is that most of the people open shorts near the lows, then they're gonna get their bottoms burned really, really quickly. I hope people didn't do that, because that's really stupid. It would not be a very smart thing to do. Gold surprisingly holding these levels once again, 16-18, getting tagged once more. We are bouncing off these levels, but again, the more we retest support, the weaker it gets. So right now, are we getting ready to getting a big move towards the downside on gold, or are we going to get a burst out towards the upside, and we're going back to that $1,700 area? That will have to be determined by the DXY. DXY again getting a nice surge towards the upside today. I guess we could take a look at some shorter time frames. We actually broke out, came back, retested this level of support. Now we are around this area right here, an area of confluence in my opinion. If we hold this level of support, we keep pumping towards the upside, the DXY will potentially get up to 116. Gold, like Bitcoin, is surprising me too. Defying gravity. Yeah, I know. Bitcoin is actually I gotta hand it to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very impressive, holding off against these current market conditions. You can take a look at the Nasdaq, right? The Nasdaq selling off and is actually back to its lows, and Bitcoin is currently at its lows. It's like Bitcoin's lows are down at 17,000, 18,000, right? Bitcoin's at 20,270. So you got a significant area of support coming in here, or sorry, you got a lot of support coming in for Bitcoin around 20,000. So I actually don't see Bitcoin coming back down here yet. I think we see a move towards the upside before we see more downside. Let's take a look at the Trader's Realities Indicator. Weekly time frame. I think he was talking about the monthly time frame. He was talking about the blue stopping volume candle on the weekly time frame. But again, he said we have a lot of vector candles here, so it could be some craziness in the markets. But we're gonna have to see what happens. There is no February 30th. I know. I figured that one out. Took me a while. Take a look at gold. Engulfing bearish candle. Bearish engulfing. Okay, let's take a look. Is this the monthly time frame? I mean, look at gold. You know, gold has had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red months in a row. I don't think that has ever happened in history where we have had 7 red 7 monthly candles in a row for gold. Let me take a look at this one. It's right here. How many is this? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, not 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, not that one. Let's see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 6 is 6. Nope. Yeah, we haven't had that many monthly candles in a row on gold in the red. That is absolutely crazy. Very interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. We are making history. I think weekly is there some green candles. Yeah, there's some green candles in the weekly, but the monthly, oof. Are the monthlies red or what? Or is it the weekly that he was talking about bearish engulfing? I'm not sure. Gold is depressing. When's the Crypto Mickey excursion meetup? We will meet up once gold gets to $2,500, Kenny. I'll fly everyone over. I'll fly them all to my location. Scam Wix on XML, just noticed. Let's take a look at XML. XML, Scamwix. It probably depends on the exchange that you're on, Kennedy. What exchange are you on? Banks are selling gold. I don't even think the banks have gold. Or is gold their biggest backup reserves? They're gonna get margin calls. Yeah, I think you were telling me that Paul, you're telling me that the banks are gonna cover their losses by using gold. Their margin call, then they're gonna sell gold to cover margin calls. XLM. excuse me, I burped. You're getting some bullish burps now. I don't know. I'm feeling good on Bitcoin. But let's see what happens. I'm feeling it. You feel it. You just need to feel it. Oops, you're right. Hello, Misty Kim. Hello, Misty. How are you doing, my man? Yeah. Yeah. Nasdaq's at support, though. I tell you, Nasdaq's at support. Russell getting rejected near the 200-day. Russell could come back up to the $1,900 area. I'm gonna keep an eye on the dollar. See what's the dollar doing tomorrow morning. Uber looks good. Let's take a look at Uber. Uber. Look at these touch points too. Boom. We shorted this level too. We shorted 33. And I told people we're shorting 33. And boom, look at what happened. 16% towards the downside. Shmoney. Just like that. We post trades. Winning trades. In the Discord. 21%. Very volatile market. Lightspeed. Ho, ho, ho. Lightspeed. Everyone hanging out here. Eh? I see. Yeah, Ghosty. Mickey feels too much. Do like CF the Shiso scream. No, I'm gonna do my own scream. I'm gonna do my own Crypto Mickey scream. It's gonna be its own scream. It's gonna be unique to this channel. Amazon. Let's take a look at Amazon. Oh, it's in the pooper today, huh? Oh, you fucker. Look at that. Oh, that's gonna burn. Look at that. Amazon just boom, boom, boom. Where's the downside? That is crazy. $1.618 coming to a theater near you. That is kind of funny. Let's take a look at Amazon. Sorry, not Amazon. Apple. Look at that, Apple. Apple's starting to give in here. Apple's getting ready to come down to these levels. I'm telling you. I know Apple's a great stock. Everybody loves Apple. Apple is king. Apple is gold. Apple's the blue chip everybody wants. I'm telling you. Apple's going to go sub $100 at one point. Amazon like Luna. I think they have some differences, Paul. I don't think Amazon's the exact same thing as Luna. Oh wow. Ooh, Microsoft tagging major support here. Look at that. There's a big trend line coming in here. We could easily blast through this though. You know, Microsoft could easily get back down to 196, 195 if it keeps going down with this much speed. Meta, extremely oversold conditions right now. If Meta keeps going back down, I got potentially would place a long around this area right here and whoosh, catch a big move back up for Meta. Meta is just one of those extremely oversold stocks right now. I see you rolling with me. I love taking a look at these stocks because they're just absolutely crazy. Let's see. We can take a look at Roku too. Where's Roku? Roku had earnings come out and absolutely took a huge, huge uppercut to the face. But look at that rally today, saving Roku. Again, basically doing a gap fill right here. Filling its gap right away. But Roku, from its close to the open, it was down more than 18%. Down 18% in a single day. And look at the rally that we got today, 16% rally in Roku. We can take a look at the shorter time frames and look at that. Boom! Just a huge rally straight off the bat. It was non-stop throughout the day. Basically, near the end of the day, you saw some profit taking. You got maybe some people getting some shorts, but in my opinion, this was just some profit taking on the day. After all, 18% in a single day is a massive, massive move and a very good day for any day trader. You want to take a look at Dante's Descent? Sure, this is from Brendan on Market Makers. This is actually his chart. Let's take a look at Dante's Descent. So essentially, Bitcoin, if Bitcoin is going to make a move towards the downside, this is the week. It has 2 days to dump to 10,000. I don't know if it's gonna happen, to be honest. So basically, this says that it's 11 bars down, 9 bars up, 11 bars down, 9 bars up, and 11 bars down. But he's using a fib extension, or what is it called? Not fib extension, trend-based fib extension, and it's towards the downside. And I think his target is around this area, which is around $10,200. Again, it's obviously the longer we take to get there, the more unlikely it seems that it's going to be happening. But we're gonna see what happens with the job numbers tomorrow. If the job numbers keep going up and the unemployment keeps going down, then yeah, maybe the market's going to sell off hard and Bitcoin's going to crash hard. But I feel like we have a good chance of getting a move towards the upside before we getting a move towards the downside. Wrecked. he says wrecked. Come on, Infinity, be nice. It's broken. It's not working. It needs to change its batteries. We could very well get a nice bounce here. Hong Kong market has I've been looking at the Hong Kong market, and you know what? I think the Hong Kong market has found its bottom, because look at this level right here. Look at that. From the lows right here, right, to its highs, you do a fib retracement, and it actually came back down to that 1.618 fib retracement. Absolutely crazy. And you know what? We bounced from these levels where market's currently up about 8.47%. So, woo! Crazy, crazy, crazy. You guys want to do it on the S&P? Let's do it on the S&P. From its lows to its highs. 1.618 is around 3,200. That is where the 1.618 is at. We bounced off the 0.5. And we could easily be getting ready to come back down to that 1.618 before we get a big market rally. Piece of shit. Let's take a look at SHIB. SHIB is coming down right now. Doge is starting to come down as well. Like, people support your traders. Eh? I don't understand. Look at that on Bitcoin. So next week we got some big news too. You know, next week we got the CPI and we got the Fed elections. So if we rally into this, I'm going to be pretty bearish, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, we're finding support right now on the EMA ribbons. Are we flipping them right now on the daily time frame? Is this the moment we've been waiting for? Is the bull run restarting? I really don't think so. Hit the like button. You goddamn right, hit the like button. Yay, now we're at 20 likes. Again, guys, this is really the market's really relying on the DXY, and whatever the DXY does, the market will follow. DXY goes up, the markets will go down. When the DXY gets a big heavy pullback, the S&P is going to go up. So you can see it's like a 1-to-1 correlation right now. I'll just do it like with the Russell, right? You can see how many up days we've been getting, right? That's when the DXY was falling. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, I guess you could say when the DXY starts to surge, markets start to slow down and start to roll over. Infinity wants us to take a look at total. Let's take a look at total. Total piece of crap. I'm kidding. This is the total market cap for crypto. Oh yeah, I know. If you take a look at total from its highs right here, you kind of hit the bottom, right? Is that the bottom? The shmoney. I'm all about that shmoney, guys. I think you're getting some bullish consolidation right here for Bitcoin. Sorry, total as well. Total crypto cap. This is very bullish. I'm currently in the money right now on our trade. So if you guys were following that crypto trade I just posted in Discord, you guys are in the money. Everything's posted on my website, guys. Profit loss history. It's actually very cheap to come into the Discord. I won't keep it there forever. Yeah, so next week we got congressional elections all day on Tuesday next week. And on Thursday, we got the CPI numbers and unemployment claims. So it's gonna be a big day. It's gonna be an exciting week next week. And something else to take a look at, guys. It's not just that. It's not just the elections and stuff. Let's take a look at the VIX. Right? VIX is getting some pullback right now. It's coming back down. If the VIX starts to tick back up like crazy like this, you got a market crash coming your way. Pay attention to the VIX. I think UVXY went down today because of that. Kenny's been eyeing the UVXY. He's gonna make a trade on UVXY. We're gonna post it in the Discord. If I make a trade on the UVXY as well, I'm gonna be posting it in the Discord. So please pay attention, guys. Wrecked. No. Kenny didn't enter anywhere up here. He entered around the lows as well, so he's still in the money. If you want to see wrecked, you can take a look at Good Food. Good Food is wrecked. 29 cents a share. This company is gonna go bankrupt. It's coming. 79%. Oh yeah, that's healthy. That's good growth right there. %97. I want to see 99. I want to see 100. I think we made a great trade on Canopy Growth last week as well. Made over $1,000 on this trade as well. A nice 20% pump towards the upside. We closed that trade beautifully in profit. So congratulations to all the Discord members who are following the trades. You guys are just racking in trades, free money. I should charge you a commission for all the funds you're making. Bed Bath & Beyond and Tattoo Chef, then get your ass in Discord. Alright, let's take a look at Bed Bath & Beyond, Tattooed Chef, and then we're going to end the live stream. We're going to go into Discord, and we're going to have a little bit of a market update because I am going to be traveling tomorrow and during the weekend, so I won't be available tomorrow to do the live stream. That's why we're doing the live stream tonight, just for you guys. I could have skipped it, but I don't want to skip it because I actually like doing the live stream and talking to you guys. Oh, Bed Bath & Beyond, double bottom, double the shmoney. Oh, wait. Oh. It can go lower. $2.38. A buyer around that area. Can we buy? How much upside is there? There's a good amount. I mean, if the market's gonna pump, you bet your ass Bed Bath & Beyond could very easily pump towards the upside. And this is one of the most shorted stocks on the market. You can take a look at dark pools. This is one of the most shorted stocks right now. This could very easily have a huge short squeeze back up. You know, it'd be crazy if that happened. I might even throw a small chunk of change as a joke to have fun, you know. Let's take a look at Tattooed Chef. Oh my god, don't make me look at these stocks. They're so ass. yeah, I think there's so many. There's a lot of growth or like you know, like YouTubers that were recommending this stock when it was up here around $17 a share, and I was like, no. This thing is going down. It goes down, it go down. It don't go down. Well, you know what? It went down. It went down 75%. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Algo. Okay, let's do Algo. Let's do one more. Let's take a look at Algo. Let's take a look at Algo. Algo for me, I see some resistance, some heavy resistance coming in for Algo around 42 cents. But right now, 37 cents. It's sitting pretty. You know, it's not at somewhere where I would start to buy it, but I would just sit on the sidelines right now. I just take a look at. I just keep an eye on Algo. You actually have a potential level maybe here. Yeah, but we'll see. We'll see what Algo does. Deutsche Bank. Bankero. Airbnb. Whoa, holy shit. Good morning. I think Nat took a big hit too yesterday. Alright guys, you guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you for tuning in. If you guys want to join the Discord, you are more than welcome. The link is in the description. We do have a monthly subscription and a yearly subscription if you want a discount, and we do have a lifetime subscription as well. But if you're interested in a lifetime, just email me and I'll send you the price. Again, that one is only paid in crypto. And if you guys want to sign up for Big Get Training, the link is in the description as well. you guys get some big bonuses as well if you sign up using my link, and you help to support the channel as well. We're at 12,870 or 69 subscribers. If we can get up to 25,000, that's when we're gonna do our next giveaway. All right, I love you guys. Have a wonderful evening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.